Ever cook potatoes in a muffin tin? I haven't. Well, Howard shows us how to delight your dinner guests with his recipe for Parmesan potato stacks in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
When it comes to the holidays, I believe in all sorts of things. Of course, I believe that Santa knows who's naughty and nice. I believe in flying reindeer. And I believe that the holidays are best when celebrated with family and friends. I also believe that no matter how good our main dish is, we still need a side dish that really stands out. Like this one. We begin by thinly slicing some potatoes and placing them in a large bowl along with some melted butter and a bit of salt and pepper. After they're coated, we stack them in muffin tins, like this. Now we let those sit for a sec while we warm up some heavy cream that we season with a bit of garlic, rosemary, and a little nutmeg. This gets poured over the potatoes, filling each cup about 3/4 full. A sprinkling of Parmesan cheese goes on top. After these bake for 30 minutes or so, we'll let them sit just long enough to set up. There you have it, layer after layer of tender as can be potato slices, bathed in one of the most flavorful cream sauces you've ever tasted. The only way to get this recipe is to go to our website and search for Parmesan potato stacks. And if you do it today, you can enjoy these for Christmas. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a this goes with everything kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.